Hey folks, Tom here from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. Concerned about your car's safety after a repair? Worries about vehicle safety post-repair are real. But at Arts, we ensure every repair keeps your car safe and reliable for the road. Take Javier, a delivery driver who visited us a few weeks ago. His 2015 Toyota Camry had a scratched and dented rear bumper from a fender bender. Javier was anxious about whether the repair would maintain his car's safety for his long work hours. We showed him our commitment to safety, using manufacturer-approved parts and thorough testing. Our team fixed his Camry perfectly, and Javier said, "Art's focus on safety gave me total peace of mind. My car's good as new." We make safety first by employing skilled technicians, adhering to industry standards, and performing comprehensive safety checks. Whether it's a minor fix or major bodywork, our Pomona shop delivers repairs you can trust to keep you safe. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're dedicated to safe, quality repairs. Don't let safety concerns stop you. Come see us for a free quote today. Want repairs that keep safety first? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or check out artsautobodyandpaint.com for your free estimate. We've got your safety covered.